Alright, hello everyone. So I'm opening a brand new condensed glue gels, and it's gonna be really cool, and it's really thick density. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there. And it really should be really thick. It's not like a lot of, unlike others, it gels. This is gonna be like that, and it's thick though. It's normal. It's that much. Okay. So it looks like it's hard to get, but actually is that how it is for the condensed glue gel is. And you just apply it on the nails in smaller amounts. And you just get a smaller amount and apply it on the nails, and it's supposed to be thick density like that. It will help hold your crystal stay in one place. Thank you everyone.